I can do this all day. Bago kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank House of Host Kitchen for sending us their products. Ang pinaka-premium and bestseller po nila are these baked sushi. So take note, guys. This is not your ordinary sushi. This is a premium seafood baked sushi. From rice down to the toppings, all the ingredients here are premium. So what do you got in this pan? You have real crab meat. You also have slices of salmon. You also have some large shrimps as well as Japanese scallops. Wow! From the ingredients, guys, super premium. Oh wow, that was a scallop. This baked sushi right here comes with Korean seaweeds as well as Japanese nori, plus this 1 cup of wasabi. I wanna taste this one first. It's a little bit spicy, and actually that's what I like about it. Now this is a huge prawn. Check this out, guys. Wow. It is so soft, it is so tender, so creamy, and then you can actually smell the freshness of the shrimp natin, yung prawns natin. Wow. The Japanese rice, so you can actually, eat it straight from the pan. This is so heavy. Now I wanna taste Japanese nori. Lagyan natin siya ng rice and some of the toppings. That is truly amazing. Wow, grabe. Now, next I wanna taste is yung tinatawag nilang Cajun shrimp and crab balls. This is a 6 pieces package. Ayan. Soft and tender. Whoa! And inside, guys, it has more real vegetables. I wanna try it first without any dip. Grabe! Ano yung ingredients na nandito? As soon as it enters your mouth, it's an explosion of, flavors, aroma, ingredients. As in, iba-iba yung nalalasahan ko na. It also has some, great contrast for the texture. Wow! The dip is also good. Yung shrimp and Cajun balls natin, it's actually a little bit heavy. And siguro, in one sitting, maximum of 4, you're gonna be full. Alright, so lastly, this is their pork belly baked with crackling. This is new in their menu. Yung pinaka-base natin is Japanese rice, and then it is topped with 1 kilogram of roasted pork belly. Of course, yung pork belly natin dyan is mixed with some herbs and spices. And then lastly, to top it all off, meron tayong mga pork cracklings. So this pan right here comes with this lettuce. So instead of the nori, you wrap it with vegetable. Let's taste it. Wow! Since it's pork based, and then yung mga ingredients na similar to our Kapampangan sisig, it's actually, ito yung premium version na Kapampangan sisig sushi. But all in all, everything in here, from the quality, the taste, and ingredients, hindi talaga siya tinipid. No extender, premium, super duper premium quality ingredients. No wonder, talaga binabalik-balikan siya ng mga those who can really appreciate a quality food. Sobrang mabubusog ka dito. Include these to your menu. They are great for, small gatherings, intimate events. To know more about this, make sure to check out their fan page. We're gonna be flashing on your screens right now. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. I hope you like this video. Make sure to share it with your friends and stay safe. Have a nice day and God bless us all.